guys, it's Katie, and we're in like full holiday mode here. So we wanted to have a little girls' night, and I'm super excited because Carissa is going to show us a real easy, simple dinner that you guys can make anytime.
Hi everyone, so excited to be here in my element in the kitchen, so excited. We are making a super easy sheet pan meal, so I love it because holidays get crazy. You might not really know what's going on in the fridge. You can kind of just throw a bunch of veggies and whatever protein you have. We're using chicken sausage, which is a great staple to have in your fridge because it stays good for a super long time. So we are going to get started, and I'm super excited to take you along.
Yay! Okay, so she's gonna put Aubrey and I to work. So like if we're gonna eat
I'm
it, we
not a
also
good
have to
cook.
help.
Get to chop
But
it.
that's good because like you're gonna see how easy it is. So if you guys are stoked on this recipe, sweat the thumbs up, a little click, and let's get chopping. And by the way, if you guys aren't already following Carissa, Rock Your Body, I'll put the link down below. Make sure you're following, she makes the best food. Okay, now let's do this.
It's the best.
Okay, let's to work.
So these are the vegetables that we are using. Honestly, you can switch them out with whatever you have in your fridge, but these are gonna be super tasty. So we have some mushrooms, we have a yellow onion, cherry tomato, asparagus, we're gonna do some sweet potato, chicken sausage, and we're gonna top it with some fresh basil at the end. So we are just going to chop up all of these veggies and throw them on a sheet pan, and
This is so nice.
Basically
I love it,
it.
especially if you have like family in town because you can like make everyone help you.
exactly.
Like get them to work.
And then one pan,
Yeah.
not a lot of cleanup.
No,
it's great.
so easy. Okay.
Amazing.
All right, so I got the sweets.
All right, I'll do the mushrooms. And do you meal, like, you could like meal prep this too?
Yeah, great
right?
for meal prep as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so I feel like this would be really good too when you have like a lot of leftover stuff from like making holiday meals. Like that's like
Absolutely.
if you didn't cook all of it and you want to clean out your fridge, because I feel like that happens
sure.
all the time. I overbuy
Same.
and then I'm like, ugh.
Yes.
And you don't want to spend a ton of time cooking after you just did.
Literally throw it on a sheet pan, stick it in the oven, you're good to go.
So nice.
Yeah.
This is good too because I honestly don't know how to like cook. So it's like just get
I got
veggies
you, Bill. I
and
got
just
you.
make a, you know,
Yeah.
a little plate.
What temperature do you cook it at?
I usually do 400 for like 15 minutes. It kind of depends on how soft you want your veggies. We'll put the sweet potatoes in first to
Okay.
kind of those take a little bit
Yeah,
longer.
that's a good tip too.
Yeah.
Is like separating them out, putting the sweet potatoes in,
Yes.
giving them a minute, so
Yeah.
that you don't have like really mushy asparagus.
Yeah, no,
And
not a fan.
Yeah, no. Okay, cool.
Six, seven, eight. Groove press. Groove press. Groove 8. Up. Bump it. Up. Bump it.
I'm following you.
Okay, so we baked the sweet potatoes at 400 degrees for about 10-15 minutes, and now we are going to add all of the veggies and the chicken sausage onto the pan. We're gonna spray it with a little oil and we're gonna season it up. And don't worry, the full recipe is on the blog, right?
Yeah, so we're gonna put it on the blog. I'll link down below for you guys. And again, if you haven't already signed up for the Slay the Holiday Challenge and got your sweat starter, make sure you do and download it because there are amazing recipes in there, healthy desserts, and some fun ones from Carissa as well. So get that. Okay, so sweets. All right, what's next?
Let's just add all the veggies.
And also, I feel like I always call yams sweet potatoes, which like same but different. So these ones are actual sweet potatoes, and they're like
Yes.
yellow, right? And then yams, pseudo sweet potatoes are the orangey.
Orange ones.
Yeah, correct.
I don't really, they taste kind of all the same to me, to be honest.
They really do. It's like very similar.
Subtle.
I remember one time, because you know if you get sweet potato fries out, they're always the orange, like it's
Yes.
yams, right? But I remember we went somewhere and got them, and I was like, take these back. They're like normal French fries, and they're like, no, like
no,
that's a
you're-
sweet
that's-
potato.
yes.
I'm like, oh, got it. Okay.
Hey, a fry's a fry.
They did it correct. Aubrey's like, why are you sending
I'm
them
like,
back?
don't hate on it. French fries. Sweet potato fries.
Okay, let's spray them with
All right.
some olive oil.
Oh, wow.
Pan is loaded.
That looks so good.
If you don't have olive oil or avocado spray, I don't know what you're doing with your life.
Game changer.
It is.
And then I feel like they help you like save on like excess of oil. 'Cause if you're
100%.
trying to like pour it, it just ends up getting real oily.
It's a super even amount. I'm
That's
not afraid of salt. It makes everything taste
Electrolytes.
better. Yeah.
Okay, I will say I'm not a big fan of onions.
Okay.
So
Well, you don't
this
get to
is
eat
gonna
dinner.
be interesting.
You can Postmates Chipotle.
I've been waiting far too long for a home cooked meal from you, so
True.
I'm gonna give it a go.
I would never eat a raw onion. It's like one of the few foods I can't do, except in like guacamole.
Yeah.
I suffer for
Yeah, me
guac.
too.
But a grilled onion is my jam. And we use like a lot of vegetables, so it's very loaded, which you can totally do, or obviously like you could use less if you're not needing to feed 3 hungry girls.
It's great though for meal prep again.
No, it
it
totally
makes
is.
so much. It's so easy.
Yeah, because even looking at these vegetables, that's like 6 servings.
For
Easy.
sure. For sure. Okay, so everything just came out of the oven. It smells
Smells so
Amazing.
good.
Yeah.
So we are going to top it with a little bit of lemon juice. I honestly put fresh lemon juice on everything. I think it adds just like a really light, fresh flavor to it. We're gonna put some fresh basil, and then I know you want a little
I love the spice, so that you don't have to put it on the whole thing. I'll do
No,
it on
I love it. I'm into it.
I'm into it too.
Okay.
So we'll do a little bit of the chili flakes and a little bit of fresh Parmesan.
Yay.
And then we have our base. You could honestly eat this just how it is.
Yeah.
We're a little extra hungry. We did some brown rice too. So totally up to you. You can do spaghetti squash. There's tons of options that you can do at the bottom of this. But
And this is great because this is just the little rice packs that are frozen, already cooked. So you throw them in the microwave for like 3 minutes. So again, keeping it super simple, really easy, which I love, and especially because we're real hungry.
Yeah.
On the verge of hangry.
Yes.
So we're having wine first.
Yes, much needed wine.
yes, we got down. We got down on some snacks.
We
while
did.
listening.
We almost ate an entire tub of hummus. It's fine.
Okay, cool. So let's finish this up. So
This looks so freaking good.
This looks
Like,
amazing.
it's so good.
yeah, I can't wait to eat it.
And when I make stuff like this, though, like I love that you take the time to plate it, make it look pretty. Because I'm
I
like,
know.
great.
I'm so hungry. I'm like, just get
Yeah,
in
most
the
of the time
bowl.
I'm like eating it off the sheet.
I do that and then
Okay,
I
I'm
burn
glad
my
I'm
tongue.
not
My
alone.
mouth.
Yes.
Perfect, but I appreciate
For
you
sure.
making it pretty for us. At
Oh
least.
my gosh, absolutely.
Oh, this is so good. All right, should we try it?
Yes.
Cool.
Please.
Forks. Fork me.
Who's getting
Forks, Carissa. Is this the extra spicy one?
Yes, that's for you.
Take a little extra spice.
Okay.
All right.
How is it?
It's so good.
Oh my god.
It's
So
just so good.
good.
And it's, I think like what's great is like you said, like the lemon and stuff, it's so much flavor, but it's so simple. It's not like you have to worry about seasoning it with crazy measurements or anything. Like,
Yeah.
just
A
make
little
your own.
fresh lemon juice and fresh herbs go such a long way.
Yeah. So good.
Amazing. I love it.
All right, you guys, so this literally took, like, we chatted and played a lot, so had we been super focused, it probably would have taken, what, 20 minutes with prep and cook time?
Yeah, for
about?
sure.
Okay, so really easy, great for meal prepping for yourself, great for the holidays, like if you're trying to like serve a bunch of people and they come over for dinner, it's just really nice and simple. So the recipe will be on the blog, you can click down below, I'll put the link for you guys, so you can see step by step everything you need, but again, just remember, like you said, like, whatever vegetables you have, like whatever meat, protein you have, it doesn't have to be the exact same thing, but it'll give you a good guideline. All right, so I want you to comment below if you guys like this video. Let us know so we know to like bring Krissa back and make more videos like this and more recipes for you like this.
Always
Go follow Krissa, link is below. Follow Aubrey as well to get all those dance moves you guys saw earlier in the sleigh. And we're getting close, so make sure to check the hashtag LSF Sleigh. Be using it so we can come see all of your guys' stuff, especially if you make this recipe. We want to see it.
Yes.
And let us know how it was. All right, love you guys so much. We'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.
You make me feel so